we forgot to say anywhere during this video, so we're going to put this bit at the beginning. Do not try this at home, on a campsite, or on a green laning experience. Anywhere, in fact. Don't try it. Well, we're always saying how good Valvoline VR1 2050 oil is. Not really sure how we came up with this idea, but one egg, free range, sourced locally. To prove this is a fresh pot, that's the seal broken on that, and that's the seal broken on that. So we'll just put a little bit of this in the old frying pan. Oh, that'll be plenty, I think. Steve, if you'd like to start warming that up, please. That's not going to warm it up, Steve. So we'll get this nice and warm. I'm no chef. That's why I eat from the on-site cafe rather than cooking it myself. I've already had my fry up this morning. Cool, a little bit less heat, Steve. It's bubbling away nicely already, but let's go for it, shall we?
Lovely.
Lovely, look. Didn't even break the yolk. Right. So I'm not sure how long eggs take to cook, but I know that isn't cooked yet. We certainly can't edit this video because somebody will say, "Ah, you switched oils halfway through." In a funny voice. So, yeah, we came up with this crazy idea a couple of weeks ago, somehow, and we figured, well, I wonder what an egg tastes like cooked in the stuff. All our engines seem to love it. There she is bubbling away, look. I should have got some chips ready to dip in the yolk.
You'll need another pan for that, and some more 2050.
And some more 2050. Deep fried chips in 2050. Is that the next video?
Only if you're going to eat it.
What timeline will this series get dubbed? What tastes tastes like?
How into hospital in 3 episodes.
Yeah. Has anyone dialed 99 yet?
I have a phone in my pocket.
But certainly, certainly non-stick.
Bit hot there, Steve.
Yeah, I think we might be nuking it, but it'll be fine.
Is it going to flip?
I have full faith in Valvoline 2050 to not burn the bottom of the egg. And we're not going to flip it. It's not pancake, Steve. We've missed Shrove Tuesday to do this with pancakes.
There's always next year.
So, suggestions of what to do next in oil, assuming this tastes alright, I reckon.
I really don't think it's going to.
I don't think
I'm not going to find out.
No, I know, it's me that's got to eat it, isn't it? Definitely not, definitely not sticking to the pan. The old zinc additive has done its stuff there. Wow. You'll notice we've found a unique invention of the use of the pistons here. And our heat gun that we use for heating up conrods and sliding gudgeon pins through. It's looking good. I think it is cooking a bit fast, but it's definitely spitting. All the chefs out there that watch our channel will be screaming at us, going, "You're killing that egg, cooking it like that." Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Of course, the difference is that egg was already dead.
Right. This needs a little bit longer. Oh, I've upset the balance of the pan now. What was the last thing that was in this pan?
Wire wool.
Wire wool and a temperature sensor we had in boiling water.
The radiator fan switch off the Morgan that didn't work. There wasn't any arsenic or anything in it.
And the water came out of that rain bucket round the back there.
Okay. As long as the water you used last didn't come off the asbestos roof, it's fine.
You've had your dip theory shots, haven't you?
I might go for a flip.
Yeah, I think you should.
I'm going to go for it.
Okay.
Oh, look at
that looks
good. That does look bloody good, actually. It's browned off nicely. It's browned off really well. Whenever I cook a fried egg, it always sticks to the pan. I might use 2050 a bit more often in my cooking. I'm not sure I need it in microwavable beans though.
No. You should do a fry up in a larger pan than this one. Everything.
I'll just give it a few more seconds. You might have had to have already fast forwarded some of this, Steve. But you can't do any cuts because people will say, oh, you've switched oil.
I'll give you a no cut guarantee.
So, right. Let's flip it back over, make
It's a
sure she is.
scientific test after all.
Yeah, look at that. Right, heat off please, Steve. I'll serve it up on this plate. Look at that. Right, so again, this is one egg fried in Valvoline 2050.
It almost looked edible.
We're not quite sure why, but this is what we did. Cool, I'll tell you what, that's not cooked too bad, is it? No, it's going to be hot. I'll blow on it. I'll tell you what,
It's still upright.
I think I'll finish that off. That is a nicely cooked egg. Oh, there is an aftertaste. Oh, there is definitely an aftertaste. I'm not quite sure what the aftertaste is. It's not egg.
Zinc.
Could be, right.
Extended engine life.
The aftertaste is now a before taste. One egg cooked in Valvoline. We might leave it a while before we do something else. We did have a fire extinguisher just in case. Bye for now.
No, are you sure you're not going to finish it on camera?
No. I've had enough. There's definitely a funny taste about that.